Hello guys, hi, and this is Sandhya Study Zone channel, and we will talk about the summary and complete details of the Great Gatsby novel and his writer of the novel writer of Francis Scott Key Fitzgerald, and the complete biography and character list in this novel and summary and conclusion here. Okay, I read. Okay, when it's coming to biography, and name is Francis Scott Key Fitzgerald. Name is Francis Key Fitzgerald, and born in September 24, 1896, St. Paul, Minnesota, US, and occupation. He was an American novelist, essayist. He was American novelist, essayist, screenwriter, and short story writer. Okay, here in this novel is very interesting and totally Francis Scott Key Fitzgerald novels are romantic novels, and he wrote most five novels, and one novel is his published after death of Fitzgerald. Okay, and okay, see again name Francis Scott Key Fitzgerald, born in September 24, 1896, and St. Paul, Minnesota, US, United States of America. And occupation, he was an American novelist, essayist, screenwriter, and short story writer. And works, first one is The Side of Paradise in the year of 1920, in the year of published 1920, and it is the first novel. And the second, The Beautiful and Damned, this is the second novel, and in the year 1922 is this novel published. And third one is The Saturday Evening Post, Collieries Weekly, and Esquire popular magazine. It was popular magazine. And the fourth one is The Great Gatsby 1925. It is the third novel, and it is the third novel. And fifth one is Tender is the Night 1934. His final novel. Tender is the Night 1934. His final novel. He was one of the greatest American writer of the 20th century. 20th century novelist, poet, no prose writer and poet also. Unfinished fifth novel, The Last Tycoon 1941. It was completed by his friend Edmund Wilson and published after Fitzgerald's death. Okay, this is the fifth novel, The Last Tycoon, and it was completed by his friend Edmund Wilson, and he was completed and published after Fitzgerald's death. Okay, after death of Fitzgerald. And here five novels is here, his most important works, and very important for every any content of the examinations and set net or main tet also. Okay, BA English or MA English, MA English also degree students is very important is this novel. And coming to character list, and first one is the J. Gatsby, the title character and the protagonist. Protagonist means he was mainly three characters of the one person. Okay, the title main lead character, it is lead character, the title character and protagonist of the novel. And Gatsby is fabulously wealthy young man living in a Gothic mansion in West Egg. Okay, and next character is Nick Carraway. The novel's narrator Nick is a young man from Minnesota who, after being educated at Yale and fighting in World War. Okay, totally this novel around of the Nick Carraway character. In this novel is very important of the Nick and Daisy love affairs, and totally romantical novel. And next character is Daisy Buchanan, Nick's cousin, and the woman Gatsby loves, and Daisy was courted by a number of officers including Gatsby and Tom Buchanan, Daisy husband. Okay, Daisy husband, but Daisy was interested as a Nick J. Gatsby, and Nick cousin and woman Gatsby. Okay, Daisy husband, and Tom is an arrogant, hypocritical bully. Okay, he was attracted of the Daisy, but not Daisy, not interested Tom Buchanan, and he is also very rich candidate. And Jordan Baker, Daisy's friend. Jordan Breaker, Daisy's friend, a woman with whom Nick becomes romantically involved during the course of novel. Jordan Baker and Mitchell Wilson, Tom's lover, whose lifeless husband George owns a rundown garage in the Valley of Ashes. Tom's lover and who lifeless husband to George owns a rundown garage in the Valley of Ashes, and George Wilson, Mitchell husband. Okay, its character is one of the person his lover and one of the person his husband. Totally first one I read out totally confused what is characters and what is love and love person and why is marriage, why totally. But novels I read two three times. I will very well. And Mitchell husband George loves and idealized Mitchell and is devastated by her affair with Tom, and he was owner of a rundown auto shop and at the edge of the Valley of Ashes. And George Wilson and Ola is the eccentric bishop-elect drunk whom Nick meets at the first party he attends at the Gatsby Mansion. Bespeculated, the eccentric bespeculated drunk whom Nick meets at the first party he attends at Gatsby's mansion, and Klipspringer, the shallow of Gatsby mansion. He was of the total observed of the Gatsby's activities and Gatsby's friends. Okay, Gatsby friend who's mentioned in this novel. Gatsby dies, Klipsinger disappears, he does not attend the funeral. Okay, in this novel Gatsby is dead and Klipsinger disappears. It is conclusion of the novel. And okay, I will read. And Mayor Wolfsheim, Gatsby's friend, Wolfsheim helped Gatsby to make his fortune bootlegging illegal liquor. Okay, his friend Gatsby and Mayor business partners of the illegal business and to Saturday parties in this novel. Saturday parties. His characters totally fed to it's like sexual attractivity and this novel. Okay, and illegal liquor businesses and okay. And coming to introduction, The Great Gatsby is a 1925 novel by American on Long Island near New York City, and the novel depicts first person narrator Nick Carraway and interactions with mysterious millionaire Jay Gatsby's obeisance to retinue with his former lover Daisy Buchanan. And total and this novel total character of the around of Nick Carraway and Jay Gatsby. Jay Gatsby is a well educated and rich person, and his character is very rude. Sometimes rude characters by his rude. He was totally dependent of the parties like rich candidate, rich wealthiness of the areas, and he also rented house of the rich area in this novel. Okay, totally he completely Daisy Buchanan and love affairs. And okay, and coming to summary, narrator of the play Nick Carraway, young man from Minnesota, and moves to New York in the summer of 1922 to learn about the bond business. He runs a bond business. Nick Carraway, young man from Minnesota, moves to New York in the summer of the 1922 to learn about the bond business. Okay, 2-3 members are to that business and partnership of the one of the person Nick Carraway, and he rents a house in the West Egg district of the Long Island, a wealthy about unfashionable area populated by the new rich, a group who have made their fortune to recently to have established social connections and who are pawned to garish display of wealth. Nick's next door neighbor in West Egg is mysterious man named Jay Gatsby, and who lives in a gigantic Gothic mansion and throws extravagant parties every Saturday night. Okay, Nick is admirer of Jay Gatsby's life, and he was totally admired too. Jay Gatsby's life. He is a wealthy rich man, and he's totally completed whole rich activities of the uh, Vestega person. But Nick is admired too. Totally, he's living up the Vestega, and he's totally compared to the Vestega of the city local activities, and he is the normal guy and who lives a gigantic Gothic mansion and throw extravagant parties every Saturday night. And Jagatsby totally completed up the every Saturday he was upgraded to parties and um, partners of the girls and porn to garage display of wealth, social connections and who are born to garish display of wealth. And his his character is just extravagant and totally. And Nick is unlike the other inhabitants of West Egg. He was educated at Yale and social connections in East Egg. Nick drives out to East Egg one evening for dinner with his cousin Daisy Buchanan. Nick cousin is Daisy Buchanan and her husband Tom, and each 12 classmate of Nick at Yale. Daisy and Tom introduced Nick and Jordan Baker. Jordan Baker, a beautiful, cynical young woman with whom Nick begins a romantic relationship. Nick also learns a bit about Daisy and Tom marriage, and Jordan tells him that Tom has a lover, Mitchell Wilson, who lives in the Valley of Ashes, a grey industrial dumping ground between West Egg, New York City. And coming to Nick is a unlike West Egg person. Okay, we also read it, first paragraph and social connections of East Egg. And he evening dinner and participate of the evening dinner with his cousin and Daisy Buchanan and his and her husband Tom. And Daisy and Tom introduced to Jordan Baker. Jordan Baker is a Daisy Tom's Nick and cynical young woman. She is very intelligent and she is very beautiful. And Nick moves to a romantic relationship with Jordan Baker. Nick also learns a bit about Daisy and Tom relationship and tells about their relations. And Jordan tells him that Tom has a lover, Mitchell Wilson, and who lives in Valley of Ashes. And Tom is his life about his love affairs with Mitchell Wilson. Talk to Jordan Baker and industrial dumping ground between West Egg in New York City. He was lived in industrial area, and he was run down to garage and automobile shop. And Nick travels to a New York City with Tom and Mitchell at a vulgar guard party in the apartment that Tom keeps up their affair. Mitchell begins to taunt Tom about Daisy, and Tom responds by breaking her nose. Nick travels to New York City and Tom and Mitchell a vulgar gardy party. His affair of the connection between a romantical relationship in this party. That was Daisy's see that relationship of the Tom and Mitchell, and Daisy is very undisappointed in this party, and Tom responds by breaking her nose. And thus that Daisy argues in this novel. Daisy argues Tom and Mitter relationship. That was Tom is responsible by breaking her nose. As the summer next paragraph, as the summer progress, Nick eventually garners an invitation to one of the Gatsby's legendary parties. He encounters Jordan Baker at the party, and they meet Gatsby himself, a surprisingly young man who affects an English accent, has a remarkable smile, and calls everyone old sports. Gatsby asks to speak to Jordan alone, and through Jordan, Nick later learns more about his mysterious neighbor, and Gatsby tells Jordan that he knew Daisy in Louisville in 1970 and is deeply in love with her. He spends many nights staring at the green light at the end of the Hardrock and across the Bay of Brave Mansion. Gatsby's extravagant lifestyle and wild parties are simply an attempt to impress Daisy, and Gatsby now wants Nick to arrange a reunion between himself and Daisy, but he is afraid that Daisy will refuse to see him if she knows that he still love her Nick. Okay, in this party, Jordan encounters and Gatsby legendary parties, and Gatsby is totally every Saturday attend the parties, many parties, and he meets girls, and he activates rude activities and vulgar activities. Gatsby leads, and he encounters Jordan Baker at the party, and they meets Gatsby himself, and surprisingly young man effects of English accent. Okay, and he remarkable smile, and he calls everyone old sports. Gatsby asks to speak to Jordan alone, and Nick later learns about more mysterious neighbor. And Gatsby tells Gatsby and Jordan is a friends, and Jordan is a young beautiful women, and many staring nights with his Gatsby. Nick is learns about their Gatsby's and Jordan lifestyle, and Gatsby now wants Nick to arrange reunion between himself and Daisy. Um, Daisy also tells the information, and okay, invites Daisy to have tea at his house, and without telling her Gatsby will also be there. After an initially backward reunion, Gatsby and Daisy re-establish their connection. Their lover rekindled. They begin and after, and Gatsby invites to Daisy, and their reunion. Gatsby and Daisy re-establish their connections and their parties life of star. Firstly, Daisy. Daisy is also admirer of rich of the persons, and attracted to more lovers and in these characters, and after a short time Tom grows increasingly suspicious of his wife relationship with Gatsby at a luncheon at the Buchanan's house, and Gatsby stares at Daisy with such undistinguished passion that Tom realizes Gatsby in love with her, and thought Tom is himself involved is an extramaterial affair. He is deeply outraged by the thought that his wife could be unfaithful to him. Okay, after he short time he was knows, and Daisy attracted to Gatsby's love and affair with of the Gatsby and more of the persons, and Tom is very disappointed their relationship, and he forces the group drive into New York City, where he confronts Gatsby in a suit at the Plaza Hotel, and Tom asserts that he and Daisy have a story that Gatsby could never understand, and he announces to his wife that Gatsby is criminal. His fortune comes from bootlegging alcohol and other illegal activities. Daisy realizes that her allegiance is to Tom, and Tom contemptuously sends her back to East Egg, with Gatsby attempting to prove that Gatsby cannot hurt him. Okay. After finalized in this novel, Daisy realizes their relationship, and she expressingly after Tom, she expresses of their relationship of Tom, and Tom also realizes and go to Destiga. And when Jordan and Tom drive though the Valley of Ashes, however, they discover that Gatsby's car has struck and killed Mitchell, Tom's lover, and they rush back to Long Island, and where Nick learns from Gatsby that Daisy was driving the car when it struck Mitchell, but that Gatsby intends to take blame. The next day, Tom tells Mitchell husband George that Gatsby was the driver of the car. George, who has leaped to conclusion that the driver of the car and that killed Mitchell and must have been her lover, paints Gatsby in the pool at the mansion and shoots him dead. He dead, then fatal shoot himself. And next, the Gatsby, Tom, Mitchell went to Daisy and went to on the car, and drive up the driving up the car and Gatsby unfortunately shoot up the Mitchell is dead up in this novel. And okay, next finds Gatsby in the pool of the mansion and shoots him dead, and he then fatally shoot himself, and Gatsby also shooted up himself up in this novel. And conclusion, Nick stages a small funeral for Gatsby and ends his relationship with Jordan and moves back to him Midwest to escape the distinguish he feels for the people surrounding Gatsby's life, and for the emptiness and moral decay of life among the wealthy on the East Coast. Nick reflects that just as Gatsby dreamed, Daisy was corrupted by money, dishonesty, the American dream of happiness and individualism. His dream into reality is what make him great. Nick reflects that the era of dreaming, both Gatsby dream and the American dream, is over. Okay. Nick stages of a small funeral for Gatsby. Okay. Then final step of the paragraph, and Midwest distinguished to peel of the people surrounding Gatsby's life. And okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel.